Obviously, the big concern and fear right now is AI taking over. What's going to happen to loan officers? What's up, everybody? It's Angelo Christian Funding. Thank you so much for watching our show. Every week we come live, talk about different things that are going on with the world, technology. Obviously, the big concern and fear right now is AI taking over. What's going to happen to loan officers? Is AI going to make the loan officer extinct? So this is something that I want to talk about because while I do think that AI is incredible, it's amazing technology. It's changing every single day, getting better and better. You know, there's chat, there's Claude, there's all different types of things out there. And I do believe that AI is going to be a major impact in every industry, in every facet of the world. And obviously there's good and bad that can come with this. And so, but the biggest thing, I still believe that AI will not replace loan officers in the long run. It can help us to fuel to make things more efficient, reduce tasks like in loan officer assistant loan processing, underwriting, sorting things, organizing things. But the human interaction that's still required and necessary, in my opinion, is still extremely valuable. There's nothing that can replace, a client, relationship, friend to friend, business to business connection, socializing, interacting, communicating with a real human being. And so, in my opinion, that's the type of business that we operate, is developing relationships with people. That's something that AI will never be able to do, or maybe at least to my knowledge, not right now. Maybe one day it will be able to create some type of cyborg or human interface. So I would say as long as you're good at that and developing relationships, that you should have be able to sustain and endure your career as a loan officer. So that's my 2 cents. Focus on developing relationships. Utilize AI to your advantage to help you to get better. And don't worry or have fear that it's going to replace you. Just focus on your skills to get better. So if we can help you, obviously we're a nationwide lender. Give us a call or text our office, 832-431-6331. We do commercial lending, residential, private, bridge, hard money. You can click on the links down below to get signed up for enrollment. There's no cost to get started. There's no contract. There's no hard credit check. So please reach out to us. Thank you guys so much for watching Angelo Christian.